Hello. I am Cora. Welcome to the AI Academy channel. Learn how to use artificial intelligence tools. Develop projects for your YouTube channel, work, school, course, or university. Stimulate your creative capacity and develop new talents and that can stand out. Enjoy the following video.
How's it going? And welcome back to yet another video about making AI images. So as you can see here, I got a bunch of stuff going on right now. It's already set up, but don't worry, we will get to that in a short bit. But in today's topic, we're just going to be talking about this filter called Dark Comic. Now Dark Comic is fairly nice. It's able to create these fantastic images with barely minimal, kind of minimal prompts and with from the previous negative prompts as well. So it's gonna be a fairly easy setup for everyone who's trying to figure out how to make AI art stuff to work. But first, we're not gonna do Playground version 1. We're gonna go with Stable Diffusion 1.5 as our model. Now for image dimensions, we will go with 512 by 768. So we can get these nice images like this one. It's like a good character art. This one like a hero pose like this one as well. You can see. Now for prompt and guidance, we will go with 10. This might change when I add the filter. So first let's put the filter, which is going to be Dark Comic, and then we switch the prompt guidance to 10. After that, quality and details, it remains at 50. Now our advanced options, we will go with the Euler Ancestral, but today we are going with the PNDM. Just for now, and then we'll switch on later. And make sure that the number of images is 4, so we can get more variations, and keep the session to private. Now to start, I've already have these negative prompts in the description box down below, if you want to follow along and make your own stuff. So copy these there in the description box. We're not going to be using any photos today. Or you could find out for yourself. So basically, just import any images that you want, and you'll be good to go. Now for the prompts, it's fairly simple for me. As you can see, the latest images that I made here is just the car on the road, fast car zoom, extreme stunts. That's it, and this is what it produced. Okay, now because we switched sampler, I don't know how it's gonna look. So right now, we're gonna go just hit generate and see the results. As you can see, it is completely different when we switch samplers, because these previous ones are made through the Euler Ancestral sampler. However, we still got some interesting results like this one, although I didn't like this area here, but it's still a recognizable look. As well as this one, a sports car in the desert. Look, sunny day. Here's half of a car. And then here's like two cars racing or parked together. I don't know. Now we're not only gonna be talking about cars, we're gonna be talking about creating characters as well. So from here, we're gonna go replace this entire thing with something else like blonde woman, heroine, hero pose, action pose, and painted backgrounds. Hit Control and then enter and see the results. As you can see here, these are. This is our hero doing the pose. you can actually make a small hero story with narration. If you want for your YouTube videos, using these images as your visual aid for when you're doing narration and stuff, you can create your own stories. Like, for example, we're just gonna make something out of the blue, like Wolverine. Superhero. Hero pose. Blades. High here. And let's hit generate. As you can see, now we have Wolverine on a completely different type of outfit. Don't know why I escaped, but that's what we have. Now we have a super. It was Superman Wolverine. And then we got Batman Wolverine and flying back up. And then we just get playing Batman, but yeah. Simple prompts results in simple images. But if you want to do something super specific, I'm gonna try something like Spider-Man fighting Hero Zoom. Green Goblin. Mary Jane. Peter Parker. Simple prompt once again. You can see it's kind of chaotic. There's a bunch of stuff because of jumbled words and things. You know you have to be specific with your prompting, so you can get a semi-decent results for this, especially when we're working with the dark comic filter, as it can only be limited to black and white, or at the very best to add one single color. Now let me figure something out for a very complicated prompt, and we will see the results for that one. So now I've come up with this one, soldier fighting battlefield, and so, then so a bit longer than usual. So we're going to hit generate, and see what we can come up with this one. Now I've noticed that the generation of the images are becoming quite longer. This time I usually wait around 12 seconds, and you will get results. But I'm not sure what's going on at the time. Maybe it's just my internet, but yeah, right now it's at 23 seconds. Now as you can see, super specific to one theme. And when you stick to one theme, you tend to get results like this. It's got a nice epic background work going on. As you can see, it's a soldier walking along the trenches. We got another version here, but with different lighting, as well as this one, but from a different point of view. So the soldier looking out into the battlefield. Then finally we got this one where I guess his gun. I don't know why it's flying, but yeah, it's near a house. It looks like hell it's raining. It's a known soldier and it's a mess like a battlefield. So now from here we can actually add more into this. Let's say tanks other soldiers. Platoon. General Commander. Enemy forces. And let's hit generate and see what we can come up with. As you can see now, we've added more layers into what was happening. And so if you were to build the story around this could be your opening. And then you get this frame here with the other soldiers. And you can see the soldier looking on as another tank passed by the battlefield. There's a bunch of tanks with soldiers just hiding here. Below you can see someone sitting on the tank there. And then we have back to the lone soldier. I like that this is super dark here as well as this. And it shows the hell of the war without actually showing any sort of graphic and violent images. So that's pretty good result for me. I'm not sure about you guys, but yeah, it's pretty good result to me. I can make a story out of this if I wanted to, and then I narrate over it. Now of course, I would like to see what would happen if we just disable the negative prompts. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then hit generate. As you can see in here, it's gotten worse because there's more mud, more rain, more destruction. We got a soldier here just carrying, he looks tired, exhausted now. This one looks stuck in the mud there on the foot. And then the soldier just looking onto nothing. Because you know, the entire place is disintegrated into ash and mud and rain because of the war. Now of course, we're gonna reactivate the negative prompts now, and then we're gonna switch to the older ancestral to see if it will affect our images significantly. So we're gonna hit generate and see the results. There you go. Now we have a little bit better, but kind of the same, most likely. But I really love this reflection of the soldier walking just beside the tank as they move forward into battlefield. Like that one, you get a nice tree line over here on the side. As well as this, it's like a soldier just looking on as tanks go towards him. Another one was just a soldier carrying a bunch of weapons, and then finally, there's more soldiers with tanks. So basically, what looked like what happened in World War I. Because we added that into our prompts right over here. We added destruction right. Now let's see it. What we could see if we changed that to World War II. So let's generate and see what we can come up with. There you go. As you can see, we have gotten yet another one. But this time, if you look at this clothing, compared to the previous one is all about, look at this. Trench coats, high boots, right? And then on this one it's just the same as high boots, but he's no longer in the mud. He's more into concrete, right? And then there's another tank in the middle of the city. Another one where, like a city is destroyed, tanks everywhere, and then as a soldier looks on. Here's another one near a beach. I think these are waves. I don't know, I could be mistaken, but yeah, rain. It's just a whole mess of World War II. It's like something someone would paint based on the photos from World War II. So yeah, there you go. These are what the dark comic filter can do for you. So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Smash like and subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on the next video.
Hi, I'm Cora. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell to receive notifications. Leave your like and share this video. See you in the next video.